video, let's learn how to fix Facebook code not received. If you are facing that problem, then the email address or phone number which you have typed in, make sure that is correct. For example, if it's your email address, launch your Gmail and make sure that inbox is not blocked. You're going to have to make sure that you have some storage so that you will see all the inbox or the emails that are newly incoming. And if it's via the phone number, make sure that you have enough service in your phone number and it is currently active. Another thing you could try is heading over to your Play Store. You will see a search button, tap onto it and type in Facebook. Now when your application is unupdated, it might show you some errors. So if you see update like mine, tap on update and update your app. Now lastly, long tap onto your Facebook, then tap on the I button. You will get landed under the settings page of Facebook under app info. Here select storage. And once done, clear the cache. Now as you do that, you're going to have to restart your device, launch Facebook again, and it will fix your problem. Thank you for watching.